for calling AR Hotel and Restaurant. This is Raisa, your reservation assistant. How may I help you today?
Hello? I'd like to make a table reservation for dinner tomorrow night.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's at
Thank you, Miss Joyce. May I also have your contact number?
Sure. It's 0917-123-4567.
Noted. For what date and time would you like to make the reservation?
For September 10 at 7 p.m.
Perfect. And how many guests will be joining you?
Will be 4 people.
Would you prefer a smoking or smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
Got it. Do you have any special requests such as dietary restrictions or seating preferences?
Yes, if possible, we'd like a table.
Of course, I'll note that. Let me repeat your reservation details to make sure everything is correct. This is a dinner reservation under Miss Alessia Joyce. Contact number is 0917-123-4567 for 4 guests on September 10 at 7 p.m. in the non-smoking area with a request for a table near the window. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Your reservation has been confirmed. Thank you very much for choosing AR Hotel and Restaurant, Miss Alessia Joyce. We look forward to serving you tomorrow evening. Have a great day.